NADPH plus H plus. This is the difference between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, that this NADP reductase that is responsible for reduction of 2 molecules of NADP into 2 molecules of NADPH plus H plus can be done only with the presence of NADP reductase enzyme that will be present with photosystem 1. ये है.
Yeah, I got it now.
Write down this question somewhere along with its answer, because it's a very important question from NEET point of view. One more thing that is different from write down the question along with answers, Anvadya, Risha, both, because these cycles are very difficult to understand and a lot of questions can be asked from this cycle, these cycles. So जो ये आपके दो chapters हैं, they will involve a lot of cycles, so you need to understand them properly. That's why I'm sharing the videos with you and saying you to see those videos. After that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
And this photolysis is the dissociation of water, right?
हाँ, in presence of light. Dissociation
Ma'am,
of water. Yeah.
Ma'am, what's plastophenol? That term was there.
Plastocyanine है बेटा वो.
Okay, yeah, I could not like.
Plastoquinone and plastocyanine, they are the carrier molecules or carrier molecules that are responsible for carrying electrons or protons in the electron transport chain.
Ma'am, there was one more. I think it's some VYF complex.
B6X complex, like separately. I have the first video that I have sent today, shared today. See that video, then you will come to know about each term. I must have shared that video before, but I forgot to share, so I have shared it just now. So just after finishing class, I am taking class today for only this cycle, क्योंकि अगर एक साथ दो cycles समझाऊंगी तो तुम लोगों को confusion हो जाएगा. तो कल हम केमी ऑस्मोसिस और शायद केल्विन साइकिल, ये दो cycles we will do it tomorrow. So today photosystem second, ये cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation I want to explain you. So just go or whenever you get time, see that video which I have shared before class, है ना? उसमें every information about plastocyanine, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6F is given, and try to note down somewhere in your book. Okay, somewhere in your copy, try to note down from these videos. जितना समझ में आ रहा है, जैसा लिखने से जितना समझ में आएगा उतना वीडियो देखने से याद नहीं रहेगा. लिखोगे तो if you will see that thing that you have written, तो ऐसा लगेगा जैसे that video is running in front of your eyes. Yeah.
So that oxygen like given out, it's gone to the atmosphere, right?
Yeah.
That isn't used in any other reaction.
No. Oxygen evolution, actually there are two purposes of this non-cyclic photophosphorylation. That the first thing is that it will produce ATP. Second thing is that it will produce and coenzyme NADPH plus and H plus. So this ATP and NADPH plus and H plus, they will be used further in carbon assimilation, that is Calvin cycle, that we are going to study in next class. Okay, तो कार्बन एसिमिलेशन क्या है? प्लांट्स का जो फोटोसिंथेसिस और फूड बनाने का प्रोसीजर है ना, that is known as carbon assimilation. For that we require some energy, so the energy for carbon assimilation we will get from this non-cyclic photophosphorylation. These all cycles are like correlated with each other. So before carbon assimilation or preparation of the food for plants, they require some energy, so that energy is produced during this process. और इसके अलावा one more important or most important process that is occurring during this non-cyclic photophosphorylation is what? Photolysis of water. So photolysis of water में तीन चीजें we can see, three things are photolysis of water gives us three things: 4 protons that are used by NADP to reduce NADPH plus, then 4 electrons. So these electrons that we get from photolysis of water, they are fulfilling the electron hole of photosystem second. ठीक है? And the oxygen that we are getting is released into the environment that we are taking for breathing.
So the light harvesting complex ka role is to convert ADP into ATP. That's
No,
all,
no,
right?
no. नहीं, लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स का मतलब तो सिर्फ इतना ही है कि वो लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करेगा और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को एक्साइट करके इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर के पास भेजेगा। बस ये जो एटीपी को एडीपी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, ये एक सीक्वेंस में होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन, और जब साइटोक्रोम B6F से प्लास्टोक्यूनोन के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाते हैं, उसके बीच में एटीपी सिंथेसिस होता है। यहाँ पे भी कोई एंजाइम इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए था, जो इन्होंने सर ने शायद इस वीडियो में शो नहीं किया। आई विल सी।
So what is between proton electron acceptor and the 4 electron? उसके बीच में क्या है?
उसके बीच में कुछ नहीं है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्साइट होके गए हैं
So
उसके
like
पास।
what is written? Like it's not clear.
इट्स कुछ नहीं लिखा है, उन्होंने क्या लिखा है?
Like in the arrow something is written. Like
4 electrons are written like that.
no. The next one, next arrow.
This is plastocyanine. This one?
Oh, I thought some complex is written. The
That
video, can you check?
Yeah, that is cytochrome B6F complex. This complete is one term.
Yeah.
That is cytochrome B6F complex. First of all, so I will explain you. अगर तुम लोग ये draw करते तो अच्छा रहता बेटा explain करने को. Okay, and I'll do one thing. I'll click the photo and will send it to you. You can see that photo and I will explain you. It's fine? Because
Yes,
I don't blackboard. I don't have blackboard with me. Okay, so I am sending you pics of two.
You can use like some other application, right? You can present the screen and you can draw and just show us.
No, I will share that photo only. You open it in your phone, then we'll do it. I don't know how to share anything else. Okay, so I can share whiteboard also. Okay, ठीक है.
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so now सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Suppose this is a okay. We have to draw a circle. Okay, so what is this?
Photosystem 2.
Yeah, this is photosystem 2. So what we call photosystem 2? Photosystem 2 is also known as P600, 680. So I told you why it is known as P680 in last class.
Yeah, its wavelength is 680 or something.
Yeah, it absorbs the light in this wavelength only. Okay. But I am not able to draw the circle properly.
You can use a marker, right? You can like draw the things instead.
Where is the marker?
The previous thing which you were using. Like you were using a pen, I guess.
This one?
No, ma'am, I guess that's the same thing.
So I'm not getting it. Actually, I'm not used to for this. So let's wait 1 minute, huh? इसका साइज वाइज का कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं क्या? ठीक है ना? आई हैव सेंड दैट फोटो. आई एम नॉट लाइक यूज्ड टू विद दैट. हमारा क्लास का टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा, हमें जो करना है. ठीक है. सो सी दैट पिक्चर. फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स जो वीडियो देखोगे, ट्राई टू राइट डाउन इट समवेयर ऑन इन योर कॉपी, है ना? एंड जो डायग्राम मैंने भेजा है उस पेपर को ट्राई टू राइट डाउन समवेयर, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज एन फोटो सिस्टम एस फोटो सिस्टम सेकंड. अब इनके साइड में जो मैंने इससे फ्लावर लाइक डायग्राम बनाए हैं, these all are accessory material like xanthophylls, chlorophyll B and carotenoid. इनके सेंटर में कौन सा क्लोरोफिल ए, लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स एक बीच में जो होगा डायग्राम याद है, डू यू रिमेम्बर द डायग्राम ऑफ दैट लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, रिशा?
Ma'am,
Anvadya?
your voice is breaking, ma'am. Just a minute. I'll leave and rejoin.
ओके, कौन सा चैप्टर था भाई? Which chapter is that?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, this is chapter 13 I guess, है ना? So let me open the chapter, then I will share it so that light complex समझ में आए. Yeah, now okay, so this is light harvesting complex. अब ये यही है, see, तो ये जो थे, these all that are the pigment molecules that will be carotenoid, xanthophyll and one more will be there, chlorophyll B. So ये जो reaction center होगा इसमें यहाँ पे इनके photosystem 2 में भी chlorophyll A will be there. So now see the diagram that I have sent you. Okay, so when light falls on these accessory pigments, then transfer all of their like energy to reaction center, that is photosystem, no, that is chlorophyll A. So what will happen, as the light energy reaches to chlorophyll A, so electrons will get excited and they will be sent to some electron acceptor. Okay, so what this electron acceptor will do, this electron acceptor will transfer these electron to carrier molecule named as plastocyanin. This plastocyanin will again transfer its electron to a complex named as cytochrome B6F complex. Now, while reaching the electrons to plastocyanin, there is the one step that involves formation of ATP. Okay. So if the question is asked that while during non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the synthesis of ATP will take during which at which step, then you have to write as the electron moves from cytochrome B6F complex to plastoquinone, then the ATP will be produced. Okay. बस अब यहाँ पे ATP is produced. Now the electrons will be transferred to plastoquinone, and at the same time the light will also fall on photosystem 1, that is also known as P700. So it will get excited and the electrons will be transferred to the electron acceptor. Now what happened, यहाँ पे जो photo, yeah.
And from where do they get the inorganic phosphate for the reaction of ADP conversion to ATP?
ये जो electrons transfer हो रहे हैं ना, यही they will give the energy to produce ATP.
Ma'am, where is that inorganic phosphate coming from?
अरे ये energy, या ये electrons जो transfer हो रहे हैं ना, they are only providing like help so that this ADP will be like merged with inorganic phosphate to form ATP.
But they are just helping, right? Where is that inorganic phosphate coming from?
ये inorganic phosphate adenosine triphosphate का एक phosphate ही है. adenosine diphosphate inorganic phosphate के साथ मिलके will form adenosine triphosphate. So यहाँ पे कोई enzyme should be there, I think, जो ये सर like इस वीडियो में नहीं बताया गया था. So we will see in our book. Wait 1 minute. यहाँ पे होगा ना ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, यहाँ पे भी यही है कि ये एटीपी बना देगा. 1 minute.
Thank you. You're far too kind.
तो ऑक्सीजन का इवोल्यूशन लाइट रिएक्शन में होगा, डार्क रिएक्शन में नहीं होगा. अब यहाँ होगा, नहीं आएंगे. तो यहाँ एटीपी की फॉर्मेशन होगी, एटीपी प्लस इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट. दिस विल गिव यू एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल. तो इनकी एनर्जी यहाँ खत्म हो गई, हार्नेस कर ली गई इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एटीपी. दैट्स व्हाई द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन. फॉस्फोरिलेशन मींस द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एटीपी. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो गए, इनकी जो एनर्जी थी वो खत्म हो गई. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ये चाहते हैं कि हम अपने घर वापस आ जाएं.
सुना ऋषा?
जहां से हम निकले थे हम वापस आ जाएं. यदि ऐसा होता तो ये साइक्लिक होता, किंतु साइक्लिक हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन होल है ही नहीं.
ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो रहे हैं ना ऋषा,
Yes, ma'am.
the electrons that are being transferred from cytochrome B6F to plastoquinone, तो उनकी जो एनर्जी होगी ना, वो एनर्जी इज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एटीपी प्रोडक्शन. तो अब ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन हम फोटोसिस्टम 2 को ट्रांसफर होंगे ना, ये एनर्जी लेस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ फोटोसिस्टम 1 का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी क्रिएट हो गई है 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, उसको फुलफिल करेंगे, लेकिन उनकी एनर्जी यही खत्म हो गई एटीपी प्रोडक्शन में. तो ये जो 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे ना, ये एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन में इन्वॉल्व है. और एटीपी फॉर्मेशन हमेशा एडीपी प्लस इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट होगा तभी होगा. और ये भी एक प्रोसेस है केमी ऑस्मोसिस, जो मैंने उसका एक वीडियो भी शेयर किया है, और टुमारो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट. ये जो एटीपी फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसीजर है ना, ये पूरा इज अ कंप्लीट प्रोसेस नेम्ड एज केमी ऑस्मोसिस. सो आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दिस टुमारो. वो जो उन्होंने यू वर आस्किंग कि उसमें वीडियो में उन्होंने साइड में वो क्या लिखा है, वो केमी ऑस्मोसिस है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a like separate process. I will explain you in tomorrow's class. ठीक है? So till now for this cycle you have to remember that only the electrons that are being transferred from cytochrome B6F to plastoquinone, they will provide their energy in production of ATP. ठीक है? Here then these electrons will become energy less, so they want to come to photosystem second, but because it is non-cyclic photophosphorylation, so they can't return back, because the deficiency that will be created after the excitation of electrons after falling light in case of photosystem second will be fulfilled by photolysis of water. से जो 4 electrons बने थे वो photosystem second के पास जाके उनका इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी फुलफिल कर देंगे. तो अगर यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी होती है और फुलफिल नहीं की जाती है, then the electrons will come back to their photosystem second. But as the electron deficiency of photosystem second is already fulfilled by the electrons that are released by photolysis of water, so these electrons cannot come to its home, so they will be transferred to photosystem 1. डायग्राम देखो साथ में तो समझ में आएगा जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ वो.
Ma'am, हमारे जो टेक्स्ट बुक में, like in our textbook they have given that the light harvesting complex and that electron acceptor together are the photosystem 2, right? Or only the light harvesting complex?
No, light harvesting complex photosystem 2. क्या बोला तुमने? वापस प्लीज रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन.
Ma'am, that light harvesting complex and the electron acceptor is photosystem 2 in our textbook, right?
नहीं, फोटोसिस्टम 1 के साथ भी होगा. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड प्राइमरी एक्सेप्टर, ये पूरा एक फोटोसिस्टम होता है. तो 2 फोटोसिस्टम्स होते हैं हमारे पास.
Yes, ma'am,
फोटोसिस्टम
that's what I was asking.
Yeah, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. So photosystem 1 is involved in cyclic photophosphorylation. उसमें only ATP will be produced. ठीक है? लेकिन photosystem 2 is known as non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Why? Because in this case photosystem both will work together to produce three things. First is production of ATP, second is production of cofactors NADPH plus H plus, and third is photolysis of water that will produce 4 electrons, 4 protons, oxygen. So electrons and protons जो थे वो तो इसी प्रोसेस में यूज हो जाएंगे नॉन साइक्लिक वाले में, और जो ऑक्सीजन होगा दिस ऑक्सीजन विल बी रिलीज इनटू एनवायरनमेंट जो हम यूज करते हैं ब्रीदिंग के लिए. क्लियर?
Ma'am, this photolysis ka process, that hydrogen water dissociation process, in our textbook it's shown that it takes in the light harvesting complex. So is that
नहीं,
true?
it will be involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स में ही हो रहा है. इसमें भी जो ये डायग्राम अभी मैंने बनाया है इसमें हो रहा है फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड में. ये लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है. इसको पूरा जो लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स का ये जो पोर्शन है ना, जो ये एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट्स अलोंग विथ क्लोरोफिल ए, दिस कंप्लीट थिंग कंस्टिट्यूट फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड इन केस ऑफ नॉन साइक्लिक एंड फोटोसिस्टम 1 इन केस ऑफ साइक्लिक. सो यहाँ पे होगा आपका फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर, जो ये फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड होगा. इसका लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स वाले पोर्शन में ही होगा. सही है. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स यहाँ पे फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, यहाँ पे लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स फोटोसिस्टम 1 रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सी इट इज रिटन हियर, फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड एंड फोटोसिस्टम 1. दिस कंप्लीट थिंग इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड, दिस कंप्लीट थिंग इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग फोटोसिस्टम 1. सो ये लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स जो ये फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड पोर्शन होगा, यहाँ पे फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर होगा. सही है
Ma'am, and photosystem.
You are confused that this light harvesting complex and electron acceptor together is known as photosystem second. You want to ask that only, right?
Yeah, but I think the light harvesting complex is only photosystem 1 and 2, right?
No, ये दोनों मिलके बनाएंगे फोटोसिस्टम. अगर सिर्फ लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा तो इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्साइट होने के बाद कहाँ जाएंगे? इलेक्ट्रॉन
But in the video they had shown that from the photosystem 2 it goes to the electron proton acceptor. In the video. So I guess photosystem 2 is only light harvesting complex, because in the video they had shown that from photosystem 2 it goes to the electron proton acceptor.
But ये पूरा it's an one, like we can say one team.
And then in the video they had like shown something wrong, right? Because they told that from the photosystem only it goes to the electron proton acceptor.
वो उन्होंने they have labeled this light harvesting complex as photosystem second.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
ऐसा बोला होता कि from this light harvesting complex of photosystem second the electrons will be excited as the light falls on this light harvesting complex of photosystem second. The electrons will be get excited and will be sent to electron acceptor. ये बोलना चाहिए उनको. तो उनका सिर्फ उन्होंने इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, इट्स राइट. आपकी बुक में यहाँ लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स लिखा है, एक्सेप्ट दैट इफ यू search the diagram for this Z scheme, then you will find a lot of like pictures that shows photosystem second here and photosystem 1 there.
Ma'am, and photosystem 1 is present in the granular lamella.
Yeah.
And 2 in the stroma lamella.
No.
Or is the other way around?
उल्टा बोल रहे हो. Yes. Photosystem 1 will be present in the stroma lamella and photosystem second will be present in the thylakoid, that is grana, उसके lamella पे, thylakoid lamella.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Write down these questions somewhere because they are very important from a NEET point of view. Okay. Now, Anvadya. Where is Anvadya?
Photosystem 1 is in stroma lamella, right?
Yeah. And photosystem second will be in
Thylakoids or granular lamella.
Yeah, granular lamella. Yeah. Please all of you note these questions. They are very important from NEET point of view. ये सारे cyclic cycles portion that we are going to study from now onwards, they are very important from NEET point of view. बहुत सारे questions can be asked from these portions. Okay, so Anavadya, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm here.
हाँ बेटा, so you understood?
I'm reading, ma'am.
हाँ, read beta, and from now onwards whenever you see the video, try to draw, see once एक बार अच्छे से बैठ के see that video. अगर
Yes.
you will get it कि हाँ, now I am understanding the video, then try to draw the diagrams along with video in your like one book, and then try to see that at which point you are confused, then you will be able to ask questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see that picture of the paper that I have sent you, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. At any point, if you are confused, you can ask me.
Ma'am, and the question, the test doubts which we have, can we like ask them now or later?
Ask them now. 1 minute, give me 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I will share that answer sheet with you. I have prepared, so there are a lot of questions that I have not included in test, but in that answer sheet, answer for many other questions will be there. So don't take it otherwise, है ना? You just see the answer for the question that I have asked in the test. अभी तो share करती हूँ. After class, I will share that answer sheet with you. कहाँ पे है? Anvedya, you also see that paper, that cycle and ask me questions. So Asmi is there. Where is she? She has joined.
No,
the-
ma'am, I'm there. I'm there.
Okay, beta. Why you are late?
Ma'am, I didn't know we had class today, ma'am. Plus, I was not well the whole day. So Drisha called me, but I was actually sleeping. I wasn't well due to cold. So after I got up, I saw the call and I messaged and I immediately joined. I'm so sorry,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, it's okay, beta. Actually, these are very important chapters. ये जो cycles है ना, they are very important to understand as well as from NEET or school point of view. These are very like interesting, थोड़ा quite tough, but like important.
Yes, ma'am.
So see that first. I have sent one photo of one copy paper. Risha, sorry, Asmi.
Yes, ma'am. I was seeing that.
See that. And I have shared a video as well. Have you seen that video?
No, ma'am. I was just going through the pictures you just sent.
But I don't think, but just by seeing that picture, you will be
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
understand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll just watch the video.
Watch the video first. Keep your like system in mute, on mute. See that video first, then see that paper that I have shared. Okay. And after that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, Risha. Till then, you can ask your doubts. From which chapter you have doubt?
Ma'am, from chapter 17, I have a doubt in the 6th question of the MCQ.
1
Ma'am,
minute.
what was the answer supposed to be?
1 minute. I'm sharing the answer key with you. Yeah. Yeah, there was a problem in the marking for chapter 18 question paper. I have seen that disturbance in the marking while I was checking your copies. मैंने questions mark करने में mistake करी है. And none of you have like dropped a
I'm in
message.
18.
In chapter 18 question paper, I have done mistake in marking. Like question some कुछ 15 या 16 क्वेश्चन के बाद मैंने 4, 2, 3 ऐसा कुछ गलत मार्किंग थी. किसी ने मुझे इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया that ma'am there is a marking problem.
Ma'am, I went through the paper yesterday. I had many doubts, but I didn't see the marking went wrong or anything.
Marking like that series not like marking series. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. उसके बाद कुछ
Oh,
questions के
okay.
बाद
Yeah, right.
series में problem था. मैं पता नहीं मुझसे कैसा mistake हुआ वो. I don't know.
I'm the 6th question's answer.
6th question. So what was the 6th question? A person breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration after having a forced expiration. This quantity of air taken is known as vital capacity. Yeah, Risha, the answer is vital capacity. Forced inspiration after having a forced expiration. This quantity of air taken in is known as vital capacity. So what's the definition for?
But they have asked like what is the volume of air taken in, right? Ma'am, they didn't ask taken in after the forced expiration.
After पूछा है ना बेटा, after having a forced expiration.
No, ma'am. The question is a person breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration after having a forced expiration. The quantity. Oh, okay. Yeah. I read it wrong.
The quantity of air taken in is vital capacity. So that's the definition for vital capacity. Or Asmi, I should appreciate you. You have drawn very good diagram. Very good.
Thank you. Ma'am, which
And-
diagram? All the
No.
diagrams.
You have drawn only 1 or 2 diagrams in the last.
The diagram.
Yeah, diaphragm wala diagram. You have drawn it very good. I am very impressed. Very good. And Anuvadya ne bhi koi ek to answer she has written very good, and I have written good for that also. I don't know. Okay, you have seen that, Anuvadya?
Yes, ma'am. The 11th answer. Ma'am,
Yeah.
where does RBCs originate from?
Uska 3 answers are there. Alag
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, I
bone
was
marrow,
dead
right?
bone
Yes, ma'am. Bone marrow.
Yeah.
Even
Bone marrow
I
mein
bone marrow.
that question is in chapter 18 or in this chapter only?
Chapter 18.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
18th chapter.
उसका बहुत अच्छे से आंसर एक्सप्लेनेशन इज देयर. आई हैव सीन तुम सबने गलत किया है वो. और वन मोर थिंग इज जहां न्यूक्लियस वाला एक सम क्वेश्चन वाज देयर, मोनोसाइट्स के अलावा इरेथ्रोसाइट्स विल आल्सो बी देयर आंसर, या कुछ और भी होगा जो मैंने उसमें ऐड लिखा है आगे तुम्हारा आंसर शीट में सब में. आई डोंट नो, मोनोसाइट्स तो है और एक और भी है. ठीक है, अच्छा पहले ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर ले.
And the 13th.
Yeah.
The 13th one, I wrote the answer, like I wrote the order in the form of options.
13 MCQ?
Yeah, it was like, what is the correct, no.
हाँ बेटा, B is the correct answer in this case. So, okay. Yeah. So first inspiration capacity is equals to tidal volume plus residual volume. It is
Not this one, ma'am, the other 13th one, the questions, short answer, I guess.
okay. From this chapter only, right?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What was the question, beta?
Just a minute. I guess it was like, write the correct order or something.
This was the question, I think. For completion of respiration process, write the given steps in sequential manner, right?
Yes, ma'am, I have written the options, like the sequence in the form of options.
So
You have given it as wrong.
उसमें मार्किंग का प्रॉब्लम है शायद. मैंने लाइक एक्चुअली मैं आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस, ये जो सीक्वेंस में लिखना था तुमको, हो सकता है यू हैव रिटन इन दिस फॉर्म. सो मुझे वो आंसर ही समझ में नहीं आया. आई वाज
Yes,
लाइक
ma'am, I have written the option instead of writing the full sentences because it will
so-
consume time, right? So,
बट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू रिकनेक्ट. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्या लिखा है इसने. So that's why I have not checked that question. I was supposed to, like, I was about to ask you, और उस वक्त ही तुमने you have told me that ma'am you forgot to give me marks for that question. Then I told you I will see in morning, क्योंकि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि उसका आंसर तुमने क्या लिखा है. मुझे पूछना था उस वक्त ही, but I was busy somewhere, तो मैं पूछ नहीं पाई तुमसे कि तुमने ये
I've written the same thing and you haven't given marks for that.
I will see or that for that copy. I will check it once more and will see the answers which I have not given marking. Then I will resend it to you.
Ma'am, the 14th and the 15th and 16th, the diagram questions also you haven't corrected. Like there are no marks written.
अरे वो डायग्राम भी तुम फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स जिस क्वेश्चन के लिए आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन डायग्राम, ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम्स अलोंग विद द आंसर. पीछे से जो तुम लास्ट में डायग्राम बना के भेजते हो ना, वो बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है. और अनवद्या, कल आपने जो कॉपी भेजी थी ना बेटा, उसका भी मुझे सीरीज कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. यू हैव सेंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस सबसे पहले भेजे तुमने, राइट? उसके बाद शॉर्ट आंसर्स भेजे. और
That's how I write like school exams, because it's easier for me to finish the more mark questions
no,
properly.
it's fine. अगर तुम ऐसे करती हो तो इट्स फाइन, बट व्हेन यू आर सेंडिंग कॉपी टू मी ना, ट्राई टू सेंड इन सीरीज. मुझे मैंने कहा यार ये इसके यहाँ से कहाँ से कॉपी
The last, yeah.
try to scan the copy like that only. ऐसे ये जो ऐसे कॉपी करते हो ना, उसको चेक करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ट्राई टू सेंड इन दिस वे, है ना?
Ma'am, I have drawn the diagram like in the continuation only. Like there's a question.
You have drawn the diagram in last.
No, ma'am, like the last two questions or three questions were only the diagram questions, right?
Yes, ma'am. The last question is the diagram question.
Yeah, ma'am, I have like, that's what I've done.
एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वाज चेकिंग योर कॉपी, मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूजन था ऋषा. इस बार तुमने सही से नहीं आंसर्स किए हैं. मतलब मैं सपोज मैं इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करी थी कि ऋषा की कॉपी ऐसे आएगी. क्या थोड़ा सा कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम थी, या मेरा चेक करने में
Ma'am,
प्रॉब्लम?
I have like written the way I write only usually. Only that options part, I didn't write all the options because like they were like sentences. So I was just like, probably I'll just write the
मुझे
like
वो
option.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा,
ma'am, like while you're talking, can you show like the first few answers of MCQ, because most of them are wrong for me, so I want to check the right answer.
I will be sharing the answer sheet with you just after the class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So beta, please, Asmi, you see that video.
Yes, ma'am. I'll see the.
For cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, I want to finish this topic today only, because tomorrow we are going to do two more topics, chemiosmosis and that Kelvin cycle, I think. तो ये cycles समझना, it's very important. So answer keys का problem तुम लोग don't worry, I will be sharing the answer keys with you. और बहुत सारे और भी questions है इसमें except the questions that I have given you in test. So वो भी तुम्हारे लिए it will be helpful when you will prepare for that chapter.
Ma'am, and for vital capacity and total lung capacity, I wrote the correct thing only, ma'am. You haven't given. Ma'am, could you just check?
डेफिनेशन बेटा मैंने शायद रेड मार्किंग भी किया है. जहां मुझे तुम लोगों की जो मिस्टेक लगी है, आई हैव लाइक मार्क्ड वन रेड लाइन बिलो दैट थिंग, ताकि तुम लोग देखो कि व्हाट इज योर मिस्टेक. ऋषा,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, like.
है ना कुछ तो. व्हेन आई विल शेयर द आंसर की, देन यू विल कम टू नो के कहाँ मिस्टेक है तुम्हारी. जहां मुझे मिस्टेक लगी है मैंने उसको रेड अंडरलाइन किया है. अंडरलाइन है ना?
I don't see anything.
हाँ, तो व्हाट यू वांट टू आस्क मी, आस्क. क्या प्रॉब्लम, क्या क्वेश्चन है?
The vital lung capacity and total lung capacity. For vital lung capacity, I've put like wrong, and for total lung capacity, I guess you gave.
Which question is that?
Ma'am, like not here. Okay, wait. It's 14th B.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me what you have written in your copy.
The volume of air a person can breathe in after forceful expiration. And I've written the next point as it includes ERV plus IRV plus TV is equal to VC. The volume of air present in lungs after forceful inspiration, ERV plus tidal volume plus residual volume plus IRV is equal to total lung capacity.
Now
That's
see,
what I've written.
what is vital capacity? It is the maximum volume of air that can be exhaled out after normal expiration. You were supposed to write that. What you have written?
Ma'am, the total volume of air a person can breathe in after forceful expiration.
Breathe in नहीं है ना बेटा, exhaled है ना. It should be exhaled, not breathe in.
Ma'am, in the textbook also it's written the same thing. In the textbook it's written as the maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forceful expiration. That's what's given in the textbook.
It's wrong in this answer sheet, I think. Wait, let me see. Let me see on Google. What's the definition for vital capacity? Yeah. Vital capacity means the breathing capacity of lungs expressed as the number of no. यार यहाँ पे गूगल पे भी it is written like that only. Vital capacity is the maximum amount of air a person can expel from the lungs after normal inspiration. अगर तुम breathe in की जगह breathe out लिखती ना तो सही होता वो.
But I just follow the textbook. Like that's what's written in the textbook.
यार let me see. Textbook में ऐसा कैसे लिखा होगा क्योंकि exhaled and inhaled में there is difference. You know that, no? Inhaled means breathe in and exhale means.
Ma'am, in the textbook it's even written that or the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out after forced inspiration. So
Yeah,
both
breathe
of
out,
them are correct.
breathe out means exhaled. हाँ.
So I guess both of them are correct because there are two definitions given.
You have written breathe in, right?
I've written breathe in after a 1 minute.
Ma'am, both of them are correct, but both of the meanings don't really sound the same.
Same, yeah. That's why I'm saying that this is correct. Vital capacity means only that the amount of air, maximum volume of air that you can exhale out from your lungs after normal inspiration, not forced inspiration. इसलिए this
But I guess they both will be same only, na?
नहीं बेटा उनका मीनिंग डिफरेंस हो जाता है. ब्रीद इन और ब्रीद आउट होते ही थिंग्स गेट चेंज्ड.
Ma'am, but if you like see the summation of them both, it's I guess almost same.
So just leave that question or just drop a message in group. I will search and will then let you know. Otherwise, according to me, this is the correct answer. Maximum volume of air that can be exhaled out after normal inspiration is known as vital capacity. And the same definition is given on Google as well. So book I have to see because I don't have book right now. But I have notes.
Ma'am, I can send the picture like of the book where it's written.
Send me the picture of that paper. I will see. Okay, Anuvadya, do you have any doubt, beta? But I'm happy all of you have written like answers in very good way in this test. डायग्राम्स भी ड्रॉ किया. अस्मी ने तो बहुत अच्छा डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ किया. आई एम हैप्पी. और ऋषा के डायग्राम्स मैंने देखे ही नहीं क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि आंसर के साथ नहीं लिखे है उसने. Okay, I will see.
No, ma'am, it's like in continuation. So I just drawn the diagrams like however it was supposed to be.
I will check your that 17 chapter copy once more. Okay, fine. That's why
Yes,
tomorrow
ma'am.
I have sent the checked copy to you all. Okay, check kar lo if there is any problem in marking. After that, I will calculate the marks and will send the copy in our classroom, Google Classroom पे. So, ठीक है?
Ma'am, you didn't correct like my chapter 18th long question third answer.
Wait. Long questions, third answer. I have your answer sheets, no? Let me check. कौन सा बेटा? ये तो अस्मी की कॉपीज है, अनवद्या की कॉपी है. ओके. Where is the third answer, beta? This hypertension.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how much marks? ये कितने marks का था? 3 marks का था, I think. It is the term for high blood pressure, which means that there is higher than normal. Okay. High blood pressure leads to heart disease and coronary artery disease. इसकी spelling correct है क्या ये? This atherosclerosis. It affects the vessel that supply blood to heart muscles caused by deposition of calcium and
Ma'am,
fat.
which question?
Question number 3rd of chapter 18, long question. What is difference between or what are the terms hypertension and
Ma'am, I have written the correct spelling, ma'am, but still you have like marked it as wrong spelling.
No, but spelling is not correct.
Ma'am,
See,
spelling of which one?
Atherosclerosis.
yeah.
Atheros. Okay, yeah, I've written it wrong. I guess the C isn't seen.
मैं कॉपी बहुत तसल्ली से बैठ के चेक करती हूँ ऋषा, इतना इजीली मेरे से कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होती है, बट थोड़ा राइटिंग या मोबाइल में चेक करते हैं ना तो थोड़ा साइज छोटा होने की वजह से हो सकता है किसी में मार्किंग में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, कोई आंसर स्किप हो जाए. अदरवाइज मैं बहुत जूम कर करके चेक करती हूँ ऐसे स्पेलिंग्स. अगर तुम्हारी करेक्ट रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग को भी मैं करेक्ट करूंगी तो तुम लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि तुमने स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है. थोड़ा मार्किंग में ये प्रॉब्लम मोबाइल में चेक करने की वजह से हो जाता है. अदरवाइज इफ आई वुड हैव चेक द कॉपीज इन लैपटॉप तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. अच्छा अनवद्या, दिस क्वेश्चन 3rd इज फॉर हाउ मेनी मार्क्स?
Ma'am, 2 marks, 1 mark for each.
ओके, 1 mark for each, right? ओके, ठीक है. So I'm
Ma'am, in my copy, no, I have just one like doubt. What is the definition of lymph? Like I wrote like according to the textbook, like not in exact words, but yeah, it's similar.
lymph बेटा, lymph में और plasma, question was lymph and blood I think, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
हाँ, तो तुमने सही नहीं लिखा है.
Ma'am, I wrote a definition of lymph and blood.
क्या लिखा है?
When some water and nutrients leak out of the capillaries into the spaces between the tissue and cells, it is called as lymph.
नहीं, lymph की definition, search on Google what's the definition for lymph.
Ma'am, I
think-
follow the textbook, ma'am.
नहीं बेटा, वो डेफिनेशन नहीं है, वो जस्ट एक नॉर्मल वे में ऐसे ही समझाने के लिए है. तुम दोनों अनवद्या या अस्मी किसी ने तो लिम्फ की अच्छी डेफिनेशन लिखी है.
Ma'am, you haven't marked anything wrong for me, but I have just written that lymph consists of specialized lymphocytes which are responsible for immune responses of the body. And the second point I wrote is flows in the lymphatic vesicular system. These 2 points I wrote as a differentiation for this question.
So the question was asking the definition for lymph, I think.
No, it was asking for differentiation between lymph and blood.
Blood. So RBC वगैरह वो सब होते हैं, वो तो ब्लड में होता है. लिम्फ का एक पर्टिकुलर होना चाहिए, शायद कुछ तो उसमें नहीं होता है ब्लड के कंपैरिजन में. वेट, लेट मी, मैं जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी ये वो आंसर नहीं था. अगर टेक्स्ट बुक में से लिखा है तो हो सकता है ऋषा तुमने करेक्ट लिखा होगा, बट मैं जो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन पूछने का पर्पस था वो ये नहीं था. 1 minute. What is lymph?
But I guess like when we write differentiation, like we write the first one as the definition and the second one as the differentiating point, right?
So you should have written in like blood ke wo it consists of RBC and everything. So what I was like expecting that you should have written lymph. It's a colorless fluid. Why? Because it lacks RBC. It consists of WBC. And it comes then the thing that you have written is correct कि ये it comes out of the tissues और ये सब कुछ. लेकिन सबसे important चीज what you have सबको लिखना चाहिए था that they consist of WBC. इसीलिए they are on red color के नहीं होते हैं, ये white color का होता है. ये कलर ये तो लिखना ही चाहिए था ना, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन WBC एंड RBC। तो तुम कैसे बताओगे कि ये जो आपके इसमें होगा
And I thought that was for only plasma and blood, because plasma is like the straw colored fluid, like which lacks RBC.
बेटा ये इसमें भी होना चाहिए था, लिम्फ का भी तुमको ये लिखना चाहिए था। मैं
Ma'am, we didn't have this kind of definition in the textbook, like this proper definition.
ओके ठीक है, तो हो सकता है कि नहीं होगा तुम्हारी बुक में, इसलिए तुमने जो बुक में था वो लिखा। बट अगर अभी से कभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से कोई क्वेश्चन कुछ करो ना, कहीं कुछ रिसीव कोई भी क्वेश्चन पेपर या कोई भी एग्जाम फेस करो ना, तो उसमें अगर लिम्फ के बारे में पूछे तो यू हैव टू गिव दिस डेफिनेशन फॉर लिम्फ, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता तो होना चाहिए ना लिम्फ में और ब्लड में डिफरेंस क्या है। बुक में नहीं दिया है, हो सकता है नहीं दिया होगा, बट ये पता होना चाहिए, इसलिए आई विल नॉट गिव मार्क्स।
Ma'am, another one, the crocodile question,
हाँ
9th question C. Did you
Which-
have you discussed that?
no, in this chapter only that question is present.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
9th question.
Actually these papers I have prepared in very much hurry, तो इसमें थोड़ा गड़बड़ भी हुआ है मार्किंग का वो सब कुछ। now onwards I will pay attention थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा। wait 1 minute। हाँ 9th questions।
Ma'am, this is of chapter 17 answer.
yeah हाँ बेटा, so that is question of chapter 17 or 18?
No, no, ma'am. The
And
same
this
one.
chapter only.
18th chapter, yeah.
So we were discussing the questions of chapter 17 beta. Let me open the copy for test chapter 18. That's why I asked the question is from chapter 17 or 18. Anvadya का भी एक problem था ना chapter 18 का, we will discuss this right now, okay?
Ma'am, so which question was that lymph question you were discussing?
Chapter 17 में था ना या 18 में था?
Ma'am, it was in 18.
Yeah, so that's why I had opened the 18 paper and sitting.
वो तो मैंने ऐसे ही डिस्कस कर लिया। हाँ बेटा, which question अस्मी?
Ma'am, 9, sorry, which one? 1 second, ma'am.
The 9th question.
9th one, yeah. Second set, short answer, 9th one.
अभी एक चीज और, ये जो बुक में डायग्राम दे रखा है ये बस ऐसे PQRST ही दे रखा है क्या? उनका पर्टिकुलर पीक को लेबल नहीं किया हुआ है क्या बुक में?
No, ma'am.
What does the P means? It is not given in book.
They have like they have mentioned like it is ventricular contraction and all of that, ma'am. But what does it cause and all? Like it does not indicate all of that. Like if it's high, what does it indicate? If it's low, what does it indicate?
No, that was not asked in the question. So if a question is asked like you have to draw the peaks for this ECG, then what you have to draw along with writing P, make one bracket over here and write what does the P means.
No, ma'am. Like one of the question was like, what does this high peak mean or something? I don't know. If the QRS complex is high, what does it indicate?
No, ma'am, you're talking about the 1 marker diagram we had to draw, right? In
No,
short
like-
answer, third question.
About that case, all of you have drawn the diagram, correct भी किया है mark, but मैं like it's a suggestion that if you have written P, then you should have written in bracket what does this P means, what's the name of this P. So that's why I'm asking that is given in your book or not. This the labeling complete है या नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's given.
That should be also like present in that diagram.
There was one question, right? Like if the QRS complex is high, what does it indicate?
I will explain. I will
That's
give.
the 12th question, yeah.
How will you interpret? Okay, चलो यही आ गया. How will you interpret an electrocardiogram in which time taken in QRS complex is higher? So normal duration of QRS complex is less than, this is also given in your book, it is equal to 0.110 seconds. If QRS complex is longer than 10 seconds, that the wave is enlarged, it indicates the person is having myocardial infarction of or heart attack. ठीक है, लॉन्गर QRS कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा, इट मींस द पर्सन विल बी हैविंग हार्ट अटैक। ठीक है ऋषा, क्योंकि अगर आपका पीक ज्यादा होगा, इसका मतलब आपका ये 0.110 सेकेंड से ज्यादा की पीक हो जाएगी, तो इट मींस द पर्सन विल बी हैविंग हार्ट अटैक। ऋषा के अस्मी के क्वेश्चन पे तो हम पहुंच ही नहीं पाए। एक मिनट अस्मी, वो क्वेश्चन मैंने कल ही देखा था कॉपी चेक करते वक्त, लास्ट होगा ये रहा। व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक इन द हार्ट ऑफ क्रोकोडाइल अमंग रेप्टाइलियंस?
Ma'am, the bone marrow questions also in that set of question.
लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम, और वो भी था, यही था ना? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ओनली, व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक इन द हार्ट ऑफ क्रोकोडाइल्स अमंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so reptiles consist of 3-chambered heart. I told you in that
Yeah, ma'am. Crocodiles consist of 4-chambered hearts, right? So you have marked, I think, me and Risha wrong. We were discussing about it. We wrote that crocodile's heart is 4-chambered, and that's the difference. That's what it makes difference from the other reptiles of its.
And this is an exception also, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am. So that
Yes,
would be
ma'am.
specific, right, in 4-chambered, like in crocodile, sorry.
1 minute, let me see your copy. मैंने क्यों मार्क नहीं किया?
You marked it wrong, like.
Oh,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wrong. अरे इतना मिस्टेक हो गया मेरे से। So 1 minute, let me see. Which question is that?
9th question C.
Okay, अच्छा, मैंने वो C देखा ही नहीं, मुझे लगा कि B के साथ ही कुछ लिखा है, तो मैंने गलत कर दिया। चलो, अब मैं उसके पास मार्क्स देती हूँ पहले अस्मिक को। 1 मार्कर था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1, okay. So I am resending the copy. This is for
Ma'am, in my copy, you haven't even corrected the 15th question.
wait, I will see क्यों नहीं करेक्ट किया है।
Ma'am, the long answer, third question,
1
they were
minute.
all 1 markers. The long answer, last question, yeah, the third question, each one of them were 1 markers, right? Okay.
अच्छा, ये है अस्मिक अनवद्या की, ऋषा की कॉपी। ऋषा की है ना? ऋषा की होगी।
Ma'am, the last question was 1 marker. Like A and B were of 1 mark.
No, each one were of 1 mark.
हाँ, हाइपरटेंशन एंड ये वाला ना?
Coronary artery disease.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
या हाँ, एक ही मार्क्स का था ये।
Okay.
मैंने इसको ऋषा को भी गुड लिखा है क्वेश्चन में, ऋषा खुशी नहीं हुई?
Ma'am, the rest of the questions should also be right.
अच्छा, ठीक है। कहाँ है बेटा, आपने कहाँ लिखा है वो आंसर?
Ma'am, I have written it as, I have like followed the correct order. So I have marked it as as 20. It's the 20th question.
Chapter 18 is that, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. 16, 17, 18. 16, 17, where is 19 and 20? Yeah, okay. Yeah, got it now.
Ma'am, even the 15th question you haven't corrected. The multiple choice, I guess. Match the following.
Match the following ka 15th question is. So let me see. Where is the 15?
Ma'am, the second page it is.
No, I have given 1 mark. कैसे correct नहीं किया बेटा?
The 15th one. 14th one you have given 1 mark. 15th one you haven't.
My camera is on?
Yeah, it is on.
Wait 1 minute. I have given you 1 mark, beta.
You have given me, I cannot see the screen.
I will share screenshot.
Oh,
But
okay, yeah, right.
I have given marks. So
Ma'am,
Anok,
what is the answer for the RBC's question?
I will give you. That's your question. Wait 1 minute. Let me send Risha's copy first. So जो previous वाली copies थी ना, I will delete them from this group, है ना, ताकि confusion नहीं रहे मुझे marking के वक्त.
Bone marrow only is the answer, right? Or is there something else?
अलग अलग स्टेज अलग अलग होगा. बोन मेरो भी करेक्ट है, बट कौन सा क्वेश्चन था वो?
Ma'am, 20A, I guess.
20.
Oh, sorry, I have marked it as 20. It must be something else.
Ma'am, which bone marrow question, right?
Yeah.
I think it was a part of the 19th question A.
1 minute.
Yeah, the 9th question, the first
Sorry,
part.
yeah, 9th question, yeah.
So are you all ready for chapter 19 test beta on Wednesday? Should I prepare the question paper or let us finish first our syllabus, then I will take the test? तुम लोगों को क्या लगता है?
Ma'am, now though we don't have any exams as such. Everything will be after the new year. So, ma'am, according to your convenience, you can complete the portions.
Yeah, I think I should complete the portions first because I have to take an objective test for all the chapters.
Ma'am, or else like after finishing this chapter which you're currently teaching, after that you can keep one test so that like we don't disrupt the flow of this chapter.
और ये इसमें I don't want to disturb flow क्योंकि इसमें cycles वाला चीज है ना, it's quite थोड़ा सा यार ये tricky होता है, but अभी जैसे cyclic non cyclic photophosphorylation का difference is clear in your mind I think.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
है ना, अच्छे से समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
ये शेयर क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं? 1 minute. टाइम ओवर हो गया है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. सो देखिए इसका आंसर क्या है. इन द अर्ली एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज आरबीसीज आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन yolk sac. ठीक है. Later on they will be produced in liver and spleen, and in mature adults RBCs are produced in bone marrow. तो तुम
That's the only thing that's given in the
करेक्ट, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, बट मैंने उसको करेक्ट लाइक रॉन्ग इसलिए किया है ताकि तुम लोगों को ये चीजें भी पता चले. अगर मैं करेक्ट कर देती तो तुम लोग ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते, तुम लोग आंसर की भी नहीं देखते, आंसर की नहीं देखते तो तुम्हें ये डिफरेंस नहीं पता चलता. ठीक है.
Ma'am, but spleen is like the graveyard of RBC.
हाँ, एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में जब लीवर और स्प्लीन में एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में बेटा, दिस इज फॉर एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज, वहां पे आरबीसी प्रोड्यूस भी होंगी और कुछ लाइक उनको डिस्टर्ब भी, उनका लाइफ स्पान पर्टिकुलर ही होता है ना, 120 डेज का ही होता है ना, तो उसमें दे विल बी लाइक आरबीसी उसमें स्प्लीन में चला जाएगा. सो ये आंसर तुम लोगों को मुझे बताना था, इसलिए मैंने वो रॉन्ग किया है. ठीक है. सो अगर कोई पूछे ये क्वेश्चन तो तुमको ये सारी चीजें उनको बतानी है. ठीक है. इसलिए आई विल लाइक आई हैव क्रॉस्ड रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. सही है, आंसर इज राइट, तुम सबने सही लिखा है, आई अप्रिशिएट, लेकिन तुम सबको ये भी पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
अस्मी बेटा, आप वो वीडियो देखना मैंने जो भेजा,
Ma'am.
वो वीडियो देख के आफ्टर क्लास यू कैन कॉल मी एट एनी टाइम इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. ठीक है. वैसे तो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आएगा, बट स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम. ओके.
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके, बाय.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
बाय.